started.
Front side works like it should. I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened it since I talked on the phone with him. Okay, now. That works there. When you open it up, it does that. Also, if you can see that little dot right there, where it's separated. It's got one on the other side, right there. And you can see the line down the center. The screen itself is perfectly smooth and not scratched. Now I'm going to do a restart. I have to do it from the front screen. Last time I did this, it messed up the inside screen. So we would look at it from the inside. Only half of it. Now the lines radiating out are gone. There you go. But it is currently in a case. Oh, there it goes. See it? It's starting right there. A while ago it was perfectly fine. See it? Look at it. All the way down this side here now. It's exactly what I thought would happen. Same thing the other phone did. See how it's discolored? Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
So. And also you can tell it's raised up along that edge, but that's the same exact thing my last phone did. Now we're going to take it out of the case. If I can. Yep. Here we go. Phone is pristine. No drops, no cracks. All the corners are clean. Everything. It's been in the case since the day I received it.